In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to import or rather how to upload the catchment or the watershed into the Google Earth Engine platform. First of all, as demonstrated in class, we were able to delineate the catchment or the watershed using the Global Watersheds platform. And this is the catchment that we generated for our stud area. Okay, so this is saved in our working folder. And so we go and check in our working folder. And it is saved, Watershed has 2025, and it is a zipped folder. Okay, we created a zipped folder, and it contains the shapefile files here, the individual files of the shapefile. Okay, and we are going to upload this into our Google Earth Engine project. So we go to our Google Earth platform. Okay, to import this watershed or catchment into our Google Earth platform. Like I mentioned in class, you're supposed to register with Google Earth Engine, and then you're also supposed to create a project, and it is in this project that you now upload the assets. Okay, so to bring in the catchment that we're going to work with, or the watershed, we come to assets here where it says assets. You click on new, and then you have different formats that you can upload. In our case, it's a shapefile, and it's a zipped folder that we're going to upload. And we click on shapefiles, and on this dialog box or this interface, we can now select our zipped folder from our working folder. Click on select rather. We go to our working folder. Click on watershed, open, and you can change the name, but can leave it the way it is, and click on upload. Depending on how fast your internet is, you can click on this button here on refresh. Okay, so we have our watershed now uploaded. So to check on the watershed, we simply left click. Okay, and then we see the location of our watershed. And to copy the path of this watershed, simply click on the copy asset ID to clipboard. It is copied, and you paste this in the code. Okay, so we'll demonstrate how this is done when we start the land cover and land use classification in our next tutorial. So thank you very much, and see you in the next